Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Let's begin with today's tutorial, how to download Character AI app on your Android device. If you are using on Android device, open your Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS, then open App Store. At the bottom, you can see the option of search, then tap on search Character AI. Then over here at the second, you can see its official ID of Character AI by Character AI. Then tap on it. Here you can see the option of install. Tap on it. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and by using Character AI you can improve your interactive skills. If you're feeling lonely, then you can get a human response through it. You can chat with your celebrity crushes if you want. You can talk with any character you want. Talking skills, speeches, how do you professionally talk. You can also practice in this. You can have many other options as well. You can create your own character. You can talk in calls. 10 million plus downloads are there. There you go, your Character AI has also been downloaded. Tap on open then after, and you can use it as much as you want. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Let's begin with today's tutorial, how to download Character AI app on your Android device. If you are using